Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube handle on your phone, on the app, or on mobile. So right here I'm on the YouTube app on my iPad. So the first thing you're going to want to do is at the top right you see a profile picture. So click on that. And from here you can see that I already have my YouTube handle. It is my name. You're going to scroll down until you see your channel. So click on your channel. Okay, from here, it brought you to your channel, obviously. Under your username, you see a couple options: manage videos, the analytics button, and the pencil icon. So you're gonna click on the pencil icon. And from here, you can see your YouTube username, your YouTube handle, your YouTube channel URL. So under the YouTube handle section, along the right, you see that pencil icon once again. So click on the pencil icon, indicating that you want to edit your handle, and right here is where you're going to type in your new YouTube handle. Now keep in mind you could change your previous handle back within a 14-day period. Now you could just mess around and see what handles are out there, and after you've edited your YouTube handle, at the top right you click on save. So I'm going to exit out, and if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.